and then you choose. This we will set it up soon, so it's good for me because I'm reviewing all the templates. And then this is added on the 4th of the 9th. So we will use this one, the latest I use. So we will open this one. And we will create a new project. This is what we want out of this structural template. So what we need to do, once we create the template, we save the project. And here we will save it with the, we will go to our job. That was 2025, was it? 55 here.
Yeah.
We will put it on Revit, and here we will call it. It will have always the name of the project. So it will be, let's just steal it from here. You think we should be call it like this? Walking track should be like this. Walking track section C.
Yeah, I think that's good.
But why walking track section C?
Because the whole project has been split into different parts. So they've completed section A and section B. This is section C. I think because it's the same location, same client, they had to name it into different sections.
Mm-hmm. So they already did A and B, and we don't know in what software.
I think Revit, but 2D.
So we don't know. So we can call it C.
Yeah,
We can call
C
it
is
like
good.
this.
Otherwise, we might lose it.
So
Yeah.
we will not confuse. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we save it. And now we have a project. And this is important. How big is the project? We will know that soon. Ah, still saving. Look. Is it saving? Yeah.
Yeah.
27. So this is a good template because it's not that big. And you're putting all the information that you need.
As
You're putting in.
links.
Yeah, later. So that's all for Revit. So this is Civil 3D, and then you have to go here on settings, right click here, and then here's where you edit what kind of um, coordinate system you're using. So we will go with New Zealand. New Zealand, and then we will choose. You have a lot, but probably the one that they're using is this one.
I think
So
so, yeah.
we have to double check, and then you apply, and then it's working for this project. This project we will save it, save as, and well, we're not gonna save it yet. Here you go to the prospector. This is how you create a surface. So you go here and you create a surface. And here in the name, you can, let's put the project name too. It's a 25 dash 055, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the name of your surface. So when you go here, you open here, and definitions, you have the DEM files for the surface. So you right click and you add. So here's where you have to put your DEM files. That usually has a TIF extension. So once we have the style, because this is how we add it, first we created the surface in the previous step, and then when you add the file, you go exactly to the file name that it should match with your file name here, so we don't add all the DEM files. So this is how you add it. And then once you have the surface here, we will change the style now. So this is important because this is how you choose how you want to show it on Revit from here. You do this once. So we will copy current selection, and then this one, I will change it, and we will put it. You want to see it every 1 meter?
Yeah.
Just do it how.
Yeah, I think 1 meter.
I think it's too much 1 meter because it will be so many lines.
Where you zoom in as well, where we just built the viewing platform, will be quite a small scale.
Yeah. Is it flat
Yeah.
or is it always like, because this is
Um,
how I use it in every project, 2.5,
okay.
and but you can, this depends on you, 0.5
Yeah,
and 2.5.
sure, yeah.
So that's the major and that's the minor. So then you have to go to the contours, and then the contour intervals, you change it from here. So you go 2.5, 2.5. What's going on?
Maybe change
Okay,
the minor first, maybe?
maybe. Okay, it work. So now we press OK and we save the style. Okay, and then you can see that it changed. So now we have more lines. We are inside of the area that you want, right?
I think not quite. We might need to do the other bit as well, because that's showing the beach.
Uh-huh. That's fine. We can do it. So let's go this one.
We may need
The
um, 2
219 we
of
need.
them. Yeah, we might need the one below it as well.
Okay. So we go here, we add the 219. 44, 219, this one, right?
Yeah.
Let's double
Four, no,
check.
I think it was 4219, maybe?
42, yeah, you're right. 4219 is this one. It's good because otherwise it will be a mess. Okay, let's add that one then.
Maybe.
Yeah, now we go
Yeah,
open and okay. And what else do we need?
the one below the one you just imported as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
Yeah,
4319.
4319.
Mm-hmm.
Let me double check to see that that covers what we need as well.
Okay, 4319. That one? You have the site plan now,
Yeah, yeah, that one.
and we will do this one as well. 4320
Might have to be the one on the other side, to be honest. I'll just show you
to the left.
to the
Okay, the
left.
4319 it goes, right?
Yeah,
Okay, we will go okay. But it will do something funny, so you need to add the other one too. See? It has to be a square. Can you
see,
see?
yeah. Yeah, so you have to add it at the same time,
No, no, you go one by one.
one by one.
43. I don't know. I haven't tried adding more than one. So it was 4319, 4320, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So when we go like this, it will be it will be right. So now you're sharing your screen, right? No?
I'll show you my screen quickly. So if you look at the aerial as well, I think what we've got kind of goes here. So we might lose this little bit here and potentially some of that. I'm not sure though. It's quite hard to tell.
Mhm.
Yeah. I think it sort of cuts down here.
One second. Mhm. Yeah, we will go a little bit down. Yeah, we will need to go to 318. 4318 we need to go. And probably we need to do the one of the bottom too.
Yeah. Two maybe.
4418. Okay. So it's 4318 we will add. I'll share my screen
Yeah.
again. 4318.
Mm-hmm.
Open. Okay. And then we'll do something funny because we need to add the 4218 too. Add 4218. So we always need to keep it as a square.
Mm-hmm.
And now we will try to add three together. Or two together, let's see. So the other one is 44. This is 4318. And the one of the bottom, we need the bottom, right?
No,
4418. No?
I don't think we need that bottom one. No.
And this one?
No, I think our thing stops just above it.
We
In
don't
the
need
other
that.
tile. No.
But in the side map, there was some part of the track there.
I think it ends. You see how there's the two patches of forest? Yeah, I'll see if I can take control.
Or just send a screenshot of the site plan so put it
Yeah,
on the chat.
I put it on the chat.
Ah, you put it already. Okay.
Yeah. See how there's the
Mm,
two patches of forest and then it ends just after that?
yeah, so we don't need it, eh? That's it.
I don't think
We
so.
have it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so now this file we will save as, and we will put it on Revit, and we will put it inside of links because
Mm-hmm.
this file will fit all the other, but I want to put it with the same name of this one,
Right.
so we know exactly what is inside, and we know exactly that it's a Civil 3D. So here we will call it like that, and we will put at the beginning the name of the 25 055. And we can put it Te Apuro. Those names, please. Te Acau. We can put it Te Acau. Te Acau. Like this, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, so now we have the Civil 3D, and from here's where the magic starts. Surface is too large. Blah, 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 blah. The external file must be in the same directory successfully. Okay, so we have two files. This is what it's saying. And we can check it. And when we go links, it's showing only one. So maybe if we save it, still saving. See, still saving. So it's a big file.
Mhm.
So now, so New Zealand. Sometimes this is different. We need to know exactly which one is. So now we are matching road edge. Um, this one we should save it.
Can you share your screen again?
Oh, sorry.
No worries. Thank
Mm,
you.
yeah, no worries. This one we should save it. Revit. Mm, it should be here instead of links because this will feed all the links. The the links. So we will call it exactly how this is downloaded. So once we finish with that, this is how we create the contours out of the model. So once we have and we selected the style that we want, that we're using 2.5 meters, we can change it to every 1 meter, but I think it will be too many lines. But anyway, you can come back and change it, the style from here. So this is how you manage the line, major and minor. But once you decided that, you go to export and you have to go to export civil 3D drawings. You click here and then it will come this windows where you will choose where to export it. So it will go in links and you want to export the contours. So this is your folder location and it will start with a cat before. So this is pretty good because whenever it starts with a cat, you know that it's an AutoCAD file, not a Civil 3D file, because AutoCAD and Civil 3D, they have the same file extension, but they're not the same. I don't know why they use the same file extension. So then we go export, and this is how we create the contours for Revit. Once we do the square, we go to surface, and what we need to do, no, it's not in surface. It's a boundary that we want to do. So we have to go to the prospect. Yeah. So here we make a boundary, we add the boundary. And this one we call, uh, how can we call it? Uh, boardwalk and main structure.
Yeah.
So that's what we want to cover. And then what we do, we just click here. And it's just taking that part. So what we do next, we select this, we go extract from surface, and then we go to extract solid from surface. And now we're it's asking us what is the depth that you want to have. So we will choose -100. And we will put it inside of a file. So now that we can, let's give a name of the file. Let's just copy this one. Let's put it inside of the topo surface. And this one, we will call it surface. This is the name that we want. So now we will overwrite that location. We go to Revit, LINZ, topo surface, and we will overwrite this one. So save. Do you want to replace it? Yes, of course. So it will create a something 100 meters deep because we want to see only one line on the top. So when we cut a section on Revit, we don't want to see something 1 meter below the other surface. So 100, we will never see something 100 below. Or maybe we do, but we will do it like this. And then we will create the solid. This will take a while. It says this will have 241,000 triangles, which is over than 100,000. No, you cannot cancel. It's okay. And it will start processing only this one. So this is what we're doing right now.
Process.
So this is the next step. Once we have the surface, we check that this is the correct timing. We check because we did it 1 minute ago. Now we process that information into manage. Navisworks manage 2023 like this. We just drop it. So now that we created the NWC file, we will first go to the model. This is how we're looking the model. And once we have the model, we override. We go green color. So, and we also will override the transparency and we will put it in 80. Once we save, we have this, we will save it as a NWD. This is what we want. And we save. So this is the NWD that we need to import into Revit as a coordination model. And this is how you link the model into Revit. You go here. First you reset the coordinates. So let's reset now, and then we go insert. We go to link CAD, and we will go to the project number that we need here. Job files 2025, and then you go to 055. I'm recording a video. Yeah. And then we go to LINZ, contours, and this is the CAD file that we need to add. We will do it by origin to internal origin. It will be, we will tick off this one, and we will specify here to see how many layers it goes. So this will be in from origin to origin. This is the first import that we're gonna do. All the other imports or links that we're gonna add to the model should be done by shared coordinates. So it's okay, we don't have many layers here, so we go okay, we will import all the layers into the model. Boom. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go manage coordinates, and we will publish coordinate system. So what this does, it will locate the plan with the coordinate of the link file. We will acquire the coordinates with this link. And then it's telling us that it's New Zealand Transfer Mercator projection. That's the GIS coordinate system that we're gonna add into the model. And then we can go close. We are in the correct coordinate system now. And we will insert the coordinate model now from a local. And we are in the correct one. So we go links, topo surface, and we need to always add the NWD because this is the one that we have with all the predefined settings of our surface. So we go here, we don't do by origin to internal origin anymore because we have shared coordinates after we acquire the coordinates. So now everything we link from this point on is by shared coordinates. We go OK. And our surface is in the correct location.